Hello Internet. Today we have this 4090 from Gigabyte. No, it's not one of the melted connectors, and even the factory seal is still there. And yet, it's here. So let's take it apart and see what's wrong. Maybe we find something interesting. If you value my opinion on this card, I don't like it. It has way too many thermal pads everywhere, and those pads are rock hard, making service on this card a living nightmare. But who cares? Right now I'm not interested in pads, but the board. Specifically, resistances in the key areas which are outlined on my Discord server somewhere in the resources section if you're interested. And since I don't see any short circuits, I'll go ahead and power the board, and we have no power draw. We have 12 and 5, but nothing else. Having a look around the board, I came across several spots of dried liquid, and upon closer examination, this buck converter that should generate 1.2 volt is affected the most. Without this buck converter working properly, we won't have 1.2 or anything else that follows after. That is, if this power sequence is telling us the truth. After brushing the buck converter with a toothbrush, I went ahead and started checking for voltages as per this diagram, and to my surprise, everything was there. Turns out, the card is already fixed, since all voltages came out of nowhere just after brushing it. Thanks, toothbrush. Now don't think I'm just gonna pack it up and get paid for brushing the board. That would be too easy. Instead, I will reflow the pins to make sure that the connection that I may have temporarily created by simply poking around the pads are now solid, as well as touch up any nearby components that I suspect may have been affected as well, just to make sure that it is not just a patch but 100% long-lasting repair. With that there, all voltage is still present and powering the card does produce an image, so we're ready to put it back together and run some tests. But that will be it for this repair. Hopefully this was educating or entertaining, and if it was, please hit me with a like button, comment below, and subscribe for more repairs. Goodbye!